Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can create these trending AI images that you see online. So if today is your first time on my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notification each time we drop new videos like this. So in case you have been seeing these images online like these ones and like these ones here, so I'm going to show you how you can create this with your phone for free. So the first thing first here, this is what you do. Open to your Google, then type in Microsoft Bing image creator. Okay, so after I've typed this, then you click on search, then click on the first one that appears here, then you open. So let's wait for my okay. So this is the interface of the Microsoft Bing website. So this is the interface of the website. So in case if you are new to the website, you are going to see join and create. So you are not going to see all this here, you are not going to see here. So if you don't have an account with Microsoft before, so you are going to see something like join and create. So this is what you do. Then you type in join and create, then you create an account. So the process is not hard. It's just for you to put your Gmail and password, then you verify it. They are going to send you a verification code to your Gmail, then you just put it there, then you verify. So then after you have verified the account, it's going to take you to this interface. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you avoid I'm going to show you some of the mistakes you need to avoid when creating these AI images. So now let me show you this here. Now this is the point. So it is always a 15 point, so for every 24 hours. So this means that in every 24 hours you have 15 points to create any AI images. So this means I have 11 here. This means that I can still create up to 11 times. So let me show you some of the AI images I've created before. I show you how you can come up with that. So this is it. These are some of the images I have created with the AI that make my point to reduce. So this is it now. So now in case that you don't have any prompt, so this is where you put your prompt, the description of the image that you want it to generate. So this is where you put it. So in case that you don't have any prompt that you want to put, then you can click on here, surprise me. So it's going to generate stuff for you. So now let me come up with a prompt. So take note so that you can know how to come up with a prompt to have the same thing with mine. So this is where you put your prompt. So I will come up with something like, so let's go. I'm going to come up with create an image of a Nigerian chubby boy running away with chicken. running away with chicken and his and his father running after him in a village. Sorry, let me use in a market setting. Alright, so this is what I would like the AI to generate for me. Then after I've put my prompt here, then I'll click on create. So make sure you follow the steps here. I'll click on create. Let's wait and see what the AI image will come up. So you can see here is, you can see creating. You can see it's creating. So let's wait and see. Alright, so it has been able to create this. You can see here. So this is the image. So sometimes it generates 4, so sometimes it generates 3, so sometimes it might generate only 2. So this is how you can save the image. So what you do is just you tap on anyone that you like. For me, I want to download this one. Then you tap on it, then you come over there, then you click on here, click on download. You can see file downloaded. So you can go back, then you type on this one, then I think I really like this. Then you click on this, click on download. So you go back, so you can download the 3. So you can download the 3. So you download. So I hope you have been getting value from this video. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. So if you would like me to come up with another prompt, with a video with another prompt about another setting, so leave it in the comment section. So make sure you subscribe to this video, make sure you like this video, and also share this video for it to get to more people. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Thank you.